Hey there, I'm Vaidehi and welcome to my Sunday reset and pamper routine. I have been following my Sunday reset routine for about a year and it has definitely changed my life. My Sunday routine consists of self-care, cleaning and prepping for week ahead. If your goal is to create more order in your life, I will highly suggest you to create a Sunday routine. I hope this video will be really helpful and informative. Please keep watching. My room is looking like an absolute mess, so I always make sure that on Sundays I start cleaning around like 7 or 8 a.m. so that I get enough time to clean and organize. I have to clean this fan as well. It's looking absolute shit and there is a lot of stain of dirt in my balcony. So I will make sure that I'm going to clean everything as fast as possible. So I always start with the ceiling ताकि मैं जालियाँ निकाल दूँ and then I'm easy to clean the floor. So I took this broom, I don't know if it's broom or what, so I took it and I started cleaning my ceiling area of balcony of my room as well. So basically the goal is to work smarter and not harder. All you need to do is to find small manageable ways to begin. Most important thing you should do when you want to start cleaning your space is to make a plan. So in my checklist, first thing that I'm going to clean today is my balcony, and this is just to give you an idea of the bigger areas in your home to concentrate on first. Also, I like to use only one bucket of water to clean my balcony क्योंकि वो रोज़ ही गंदी होगी और रोज़ पानी वेस्ट करना is not a good thing. I'm done with my balcony. Next step is to clean all that dirt from ceiling fan. I don't know how these fans gather dust very quickly, but I have to do it and I was pretty happy with the job that I have done. You guys can see the difference already. I always feel accomplished whenever I make my bed. ऐसा लगता है मेरा आधा काम हो गया है and I think I love doing this step every single morning. झाड़ू लगाना is one of the most satisfying part of this reset routine क्योंकि एक बार ये काम हो जाए तो मेरा ऑलमोस्ट सारा काम हो गया, बिल्कुल वैसा लगता है. ऑल्दो इट वॉज़ वेरी टायरिंग टू डू ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स क्योंकि मैं फिल्म भी कर रही थी, काम भी कर रही थी. ये सिर्फ 7 मिनट की वीडियो है बट मुझे काम करते करते 2 से 3 घंटे लग जाते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी टायरिंग बट इट वॉज सैटिस्फाइंग. So on Sundays we like to clean our washrooms and before this house जहाँ मैं पहले रहती थी वहाँ I used to feel that I want that privacy, I want my own room, but अब जब मेरे पास है I realize that it comes with responsibilities. खुद का बाथरूम होना बट उसको खुद को साफ़ भी करना होगा, खुद की रूम चाहिए बट उसकी सफाई भी हमें खुद को ही करनी होगी. सो दिस एक्चुअली हेल्प्स इन पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट एंड आई एम टोटली लविंग ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. एक बार जब सारी चीज़ें क्लीन हो जाती है यू फील वेरी डीक्लटर, आपका ब्रेन एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाता है. एंड आई थिंक एवरी वन शुड फॉलो दिस क्लीनिंग रूटीन एवरी संडे ताकि आप अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को डेवलप कर सको और कुछ नई चीज़ें आपको सीखने को मिलेगी. I strongly believe that our environment has a powerful impact on us. It can either lead us to feeling calm and productive or it can simply leave us feeling frazzled and stressed. For me, Sunday is a great opportunity to make my space fresh and clean. I still remember पुराने लोग वॉशरूम यूज़ करने के बाद डायरेक्टली नहाते थे and still my parents do the same. Every time they clean their washroom, they go to take shower and I have been following their paths. Every time I'm done cleaning my washroom, next step is to go and take shower. I think to summarize, a perfect Sunday routine is something that helps you regain that balance back in your life and fulfill all your needs. For me, whenever I clean my space, declutter all the things, it instantly relaxes my mind क्योंकि anxiety जो होती है, जो stress होता है वो पूरा निकल जाता है. And the moment I go into the shower, it simply calms me down and I love that feeling. On Sunday specially, I like to keep my skincare very sweet and simple क्योंकि वैसे भी मंडे से सैटरडे तक हम कुछ ना कुछ फेस पे लगाते रहते हैं whenever we go out and मेकअप लगाओ, लिपस्टिक लगाओ. सो आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट ऑन संडेज आई एम कीपिंग माई स्किन केयर सिंपल एंड स्वीट ताकि मेरे स्किन को भी थोड़ा टाइम मिले रिलैक्स होने के लिए. I actually did lot of things but almost forgot to clean my mirrors. तो मैंने लास्ट में बस मिरर को क्लीन कर लिया and I was absolutely done with this Sunday reset and pamper routine. And that's it for this Sunday routine video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Feel free to share your Sunday routine with me. I hope this video will give you some ideas about how to start your Sunday routine. And let me know what you want to see next. Feel free to share your Sunday routines and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye bye.